What's up, everybody? It's your boy Stomp Roos, and I'm gonna be doing the first ever unboxing video on my YouTube channel. So me and my wife took a little trip today down to the old Best Buy store, and we cannot be trusted inside of a Best Buy ever, at all, at any point of any day. We can't be trusted. So we went there. And right now I'm filming this awfully lovely video on the G7X Mark I. It's old, but it works. And for what I do and for the amount of people to watch, I don't need some super expensive camera. But my wife does. So we went Best Buy day, took her to get a new camera, and your boy Sonic Roos bought him something today. You guys already know what it is because it's in the title, but it don't matter. But first, I'm going to show you all what I was playing on before. This is an iBuyPower. Oh, this is an iBuyPower keyboard. It's RGB. It gets the job done, you know? Like, it gets the job done. But dude, let me tell you, this keyboard here is not that great. It works, but it's not good. It's not that great. It's just an iBuyPower keyboard. It has RGB lights on it, and it's got some like this cool little wheel right here. You know, whatever. But honestly, this thing's junk. So we're just gonna get rid of this thing off the old desk here. I'm gonna set this down, and we're going to start opening up the Huntsman V2 Analog. I'm telling you right now, as I make this video, I don't even know what this thing's capable of. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I just seen a big price tag on it, and it was the nicest one there that I could find in Best Buy. They were wiped clean. They had one. They had a Logitech 915, I think is what it was, keyboard. It was really nice. Oh, super clicky. Oh, it's so clicky. But this thing here, this one feels, oh, you put your fingers on this thing, it's gonna be hard to take them off. So anyways, I'm gonna read some stuff to you on the box. So this is what the box looks like. Super nice, good packaging. This is my first unboxing video. This is my first ever unboxing video for you all, so be patient with me here, okay? But this is a Razer, dude, it's like a boom box. This is a Razer Huntsman version DUS Analog optical gaming keyboard. Razer analog optical switches, double shot PBT keycaps. I don't even know what that means. Magnetic plush leatherette wrist rest. This thing, which it makes the palms of your hands dance in joy. I'm just gonna tell you that. When your little hands, wrists are on there. All right, so we're gonna open this thing up. We're gonna try to do it semi-carefully, but not super semi-carefully. I got the knife. Got the knife. I'm gonna try to be careful opening this thing up here. I'm a knife addict, by the way. This is the knife I got. It was super cheap, but I just like how I just like the grip on it, the way it looks. So that's my knife here. I wanna sliver this. I wanna ease. You guys gotta see this here. You guys gotta see this here. I wanna just. Oh, I feel like that steak guy. You know, who does the sprinkles. That's what I feel like. So we're unboxing this thing here. So on the back here it says USB 3.0 pass-through. Multi-function digital dial and 4 media keys. Powered by Razer Chroma RGB. Double shot PBT caps, like I said, magnetic plush little dingly-do right there. So we're gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, oh. You guys should see this. I'll show you. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It's got a cool little green and black little Razer thing right here. It holds the books in there, and it's got a nice little protective layer on there, which is very nice. I like this a lot. A lot of the times when you buy things like this, like there's nothing protecting what's inside. It's in the box, you know. But this gives me some confidence that they took the time to package it right. Let's go into what's up top here. All right, so this right here, thank you for choosing Razer. The dedication we put into engineering high-performance gaming gear extends into after-sales service. Our customer support team is always available to answer any questions, assist you with any troubleshooting. So there's that. Oh, it came with stickers. It came with stickers. Razer, RGB, for gamers, by gamers. Oh, Razer, thank you. Thank you for the stickers. Oh, I'm nervous to take this thing out. I really am. This thing was very expensive, and I did not want to spend the money on it today. But luckily, we have the Best Buy credit card that had a zero balance on it. So I said, why not? Yeah, babe's getting the camera out, but your boy's gonna get a keyboard. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take this backing layer out. We're just gonna toss that to the side there. Okay. So the cables come. So the cables look like they're already attached to the back. Oh my gosh. So these are the cables. It's got a USB-C. It's got a USB-C end with a nice little protective cap cover. And it also has a USB port. Hopefully you just have to use one of these, not both of these, to set this thing up, because I don't think my computer has a USB-C port. The cables on this are very durable. They're very protective. They kind of got like a cross stitch webbing, like protective layer over top. It's not just like a plastic USB cable. Like these things are durable. This one right here, the USB one's really thick. I like this. I feel like it's not gonna get all bent up and bent out of shape and stuff. But we're gonna, don't even know how to do this here. How do I take this thing out? Alright, do I just lift it out? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this thing, guys. Look at this thing. It's in this cool little box thing. Oh my goodness. What else is in? Oh, the leather. This is a little leather magnetic strip that it came with. We'll just set that here to the side, right next to my Bang energy drink. Sponsor me. And that's all that's in the box, guys. That's it. That's all that's in the box. There's the box right there. Very long cable, too. Like, these cables are nice and long. I don't exactly know how long they are, but they're a lot longer than I feel like a typical. Let's take this out. Nice little foam. Nice little foam protective covering for when it's being transported in a case. So if you want to buy this and send it to somebody in the mail, I am thinking that you're not going to have any issues with this arriving in one piece. Throw that over there. Everything's just going over there today. Alright, so in the top right corner here, we have got the little Razer. Can I do it? How the girls do it with the makeup. Hey, look at that, it worked, I think. So it comes with this little device here. It says Razer on it. It's got a USB-C port on this end. And then on this end it's a USB. So USB-C to a USB 3.0 connector is what that is. We're going to take this we're taking the plastic off. It's off. We're just going to toss it to the side. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, this thing is heavy. This thing is super heavy, and not in a bad way either. The weight of this thing, this is probably a couple pounds. This has to be a few pounds. I'm telling you, 2 or 3 pound keyboard. Maybe not that much, but this has to weigh something. This thing is durable. This thing's heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. Got all the nice keys. So these keys here, let me show you guys this because you can't even see it here. But here's the keyboard. This is what it looks like. Let me hide my face here. This is what it looks like. This is the keyboard. Very, very nice. It's got a little wheel right here. I'm guessing this is the analog. So it's kind of, it's not thin. In my opinion, this thing is not thin by any means. This is not thin, but man, these keys feel amazing. Yep, so on this side, we have a USB port. If you want to plug something that is USB into this, you can. On the back side, there's nothing but the two wires that are coming out, which has a very nice, strong, sturdy connection right there. On the front here, there's a magnetic piece right here that will take our leather strip to and connect right there. So that's the magnetic piece, I believe. On this side, there's nothing as well. But you can see, this thing is not thin. This is not a cheap filling keyboard by any means. This is not something that feels like it's gonna break. This thing feels sturdy. I want to tell you that right now. Man, I'm really surprised on how heavy this thing is. So, we're gonna take the straps off this. Look how long these cables are, guys. These are like wicked long. And we're gonna go ahead and run these cables to my PC behind. I gotta say, the whole reason why I wanted to get a new keyboard was to get a wireless keyboard. Because I had one wire going to the back, and I was like, it's just one wire. How difficult is it? Well, now I have two wires coming out of the back of this keyboard. But I'm telling you, I haven't even pushed the buttons yet. I haven't even pushed the buttons on this thing yet. So far, with unboxing this thing, looking at the packaging that it came in, looking at the weight, the durability of this thing, I'm totally fine with having the wires. Because this thing's a brute. So I'm gonna push a button. You ready? I don't even know how quick it is. Oh, you guys hear that? So it's not very clicky. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even know how this thing feels in my hands right now. I am exaggerating a lot. Like, I'm not actually like freaking this super duper excited about it. Alright, so hopefully this video is a little better for you guys. But I'm not like freaking panty dropper over here. But I am super excited about this thing. This is nice, guys. Super responsive too. These things, has the keys on here have a 360. I don't know what they call it. It's like a 360 feel. So no matter, like, if you're playing fast and you don't get a full finger on the key and you just like clip it, it will go down just as easy anywhere. The key's going to go down anywhere you press down on it, just as easy, if that makes sense. I know I'm not using like PC terminology here, but oh wow. And it's not very big. I don't feel like it's big. So you know how when we're gaming, guys, right? I can turn my keyboard to get that angle on it, when you're just grinding, grinding away. There's not a scratch on it. Let's open this up. Pad that it comes with. Ooh. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. We'll throw that over there. So this is very nice leather. As you can see right here, it's got the little Razer, the Razer logo, and this is etched into the leather. It's a part of the leather, so it's not gonna like peel off or nothing. It's not gonna come off. But it's got like little grippies, like little rubber grippies on the bottom. So it doesn't get, so when you're freaking grinding away, it doesn't get all carried away. But let's just see how easy this thing attaches. Oh wow. Oh man. Oh. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Oh wow. This is nice, guys. This is nice. I'm gonna have to turn the lights off for you. I'll show you what it looks like during the day, like right now with the lights on. There's even lights underneath of this leather strip. Can you see that? Can you see it on my hands? This is the old setup right now. This is the old setup. This is the mouse pad. This is a flow pad. Flow pad. Oh, it's dirty. Not really though. I try to keep things as clean as I can. But this is the keyboard, y'all. This is the keyboard. Very nice. And look at the light. Oh, look at the light coming out from the leather pad there. All the way around. Well, I'm gonna turn the lights off in here. Yeah, we should still be able to see. Okay, I guess. Here we go. Oh, but look at this keypad. Look at this setup here. Look how nice that is, and I still got plenty of room. You know, I mean, that's a large area right there that I can use with my mouse. The Huntsman Razer keypad right there. Oh, you don't even have to push down hard on at all. And it's got the analog wheel right here, which is very easy to manipulate. We got a play pause button right there. That looks like a skip, like a next track, backtrack. All of the buttons that you need are on here. This feels very nice. Alright, so that is the unboxing and unpackaging of the Huntsman V2 Analog Razer keyboard. I'll do another review. You guys gotta remind me though, okay? I gotta do another review on this in about 6 months. Maybe at the end of the year, I'll do another review on it to see how it holds up. It's my first ever unboxing and review / opening up of a keyboard like this. So let me know what you guys think. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Other than that, go hit the subscribe, the follow, the like, leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions on the keyboard. I'm very impressed with this thing. I'm very impressed with this thing, and I do believe that it's going to, as a gamer, fill all my gaming needs. Not worried about it at all. There's nothing that I think is going to cause me any issues or anything. So, like the video, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it, guys. This wasn't like a super professional video or anything, but I was just super geeked up to open this thing up and excited to make a YouTube video, put it out there. So, have any questions? Let me know. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Check me out on Twitch and Facebook Gaming. Sergeant Roos is the gamer tag there. And until next time, Sergeant Roos out. Peace.